understand today that some of you may or may not have some interest in the business of movie making or documentary filmmaking. You have devices like this phone, that are just as good as any professional video camera out there. Make your own film and put it out there on YouTube, put it out there on TikTok.
Just hit this to record and then hit again to stop.
Is there a reason why it's black screen right now?
Let's go. Oh, because the point of what we want to do here is, especially for you guys, like if you've never seen a rehearsal of this scene, you want to know what is the action. So this way, when you have to go in for what they call close-ups and inserts, you'll be able to kind of get a good sense of where the placement should be for the camera. You're trying to be very defensive for him. And what you're doing is fantastic. I would just say, give more suspicion to them because you don't have any trust that they're going to do the right thing. So when we're watching a movie or we're watching a TV show, music video, whatnot, those things give us some instant gratification. Just a brief moment of, let me put myself in somebody else's shoes. It could be a character, it could be a reality show, but you're seeing through the eyes of somebody else's perspective. You're going to keep the same cameras, but what I want you to do now is get over the shoulders. Yeah, just like that. That's fine for what we're doing here. But basically, it's how you're cutting back and forth with these interactions, and it makes him very powerful.
You're going to make mistakes, and that's okay. That's how you get to learn. It is just really to be there on the set, working with the crew, working with actors, work with your subjects for your documentary, and along the way, you get better over time as you develop more skills.